Do you know that your body was never designed to eat all day, every day? What if I told you that some of the physical, emotional, and spiritual issues you've been having could be resolved just by skipping a few meals? Hi, my name is Yvette. I'm a Christian life coach. One of my areas of coaching is to help people experience life transformation through the power of fasting. I will be hosting a 3-day free fasting workshop to help you kickstart your journey towards life transformation. If you're interested, please comment below, I'm in. Once I see your comments, I will send you more information on how to sign up. I will see you on the other side of your journey to life transformation. God bless you.